I said we're gonna start.
Then start. You're saying I'm holding up my head. It's my head. I will
It's
put
heavy.
my hand.
Can we start?
People do this on their head and their face or
Can we
whatever.
start?
Start if you are starting. Go
Okay, we're
ahead.
gonna start. Cool. So, because we got such a strong response on our first list of 10 or 11 items going to Jamaica, we thought we might as well do a part 2. And there's only going to be a part 2 because we're carrying 2 suitcases each, a carry-on, and whatever else they allow us to bring on the plane, and that's it. We're not shipping nothing, we're not shipping nothing.
They talk about that already. Shipping is expensive.
Yeah, so we're just gonna carry our luggage with us, and everything else we're gonna buy in Jamaica. But stay tuned, here are 10 items that we're going to be bringing to Jamaica with us that we feel are super important, and here we go. Alright, so first one item up is more of a nostalgia item. It's more of a remembrance of our existence here on Kauai for the past 7 years. And that includes, we call this the nostalgia gift bag from the Genki, which I've been making some sushi for the past almost 7 years now. But it's not just the Genki that's in here. Cue the visual aid. We also have some memorabilia of a company that I started at the school called Kauai Gardens that not only works for the sunlight, but also if you're having a bad hair day, you can just throw it on and you're good to go. So I've got some hats.
Now tell them about your logo, so you make the logo on the hat or whatever. They designed the logo and they printed it.
Yes, we made the company, including the logo. Students made the logo, and then we put it on a hat, and then we actually sold items over at the farmer's market that we grew hydroponic stuff in our classroom. Pretty cool project, even made it in the newspaper and such. And yeah, something I want to remember with and clearly keep my hair at bay as well. Also inside of here, can't go anywhere without some chopsticks from the Genki. Not a lot of sushi restaurants over in the hills of Jamaica, but you never know. We might have to try that out. Oh, and they gave us
can't go eat roast breadfruit with chopsticks.
roast breadfruit with chopsticks. Yeah,
Ackee sausage chopsticks.
with chopsticks. Why not? And then
Or
we
rice
got.
with chopstick.
You good? I might. Oh, speaking of rice, this was a gift from the Genki that we got, like an udon bowl. That also comes with chopsticks, but if I can get it there in one piece without breaking, we'll see if we can do that. And last but not least, I got a little stint over at the Kauai Juice Co., so I'm bringing some Kauai Juice Co. smoked sauce. Inside of this thing, we've got smoked tomatoes, smoked jalapenos, fermented Hawaiian chili peppers, carrots, fresh garlic, and more. So, gonna have some great sauce to go with the great flavors of Jamaica made right here on Kauai. That is number 1. That is nostalgia. Let's check out the next item.
Item number 2 is Bible. Oh, this is a Bible from a friend that I used to go to church with, and she gave me this Bible. So I think I might bring it with me when I'm going back home to go to church with my mom and things. So yeah, this is good. Good to go back to get to go to church again and things.
Yeah, we've. How's church been going for you lately?
I have a Jehovah's Witness person that come over and visit sometime, and sometimes when she come, I'm still asleep. I get to talk to her.
Haven't exactly been frequenting church
I
as
don't
often
go-
as we'd like.
Yeah, but I go to church. I like to go to church though.
So hopefully we get back to Jamaica, we can get some more pattern and routine about getting back into the church scene. Yeah? Maybe with Mama? Mama! Going with. It's gonna be fun. Next item. Now we can't get back to Jamaica without.
My throat itchy. I'm sorry.
You good?
If that is on your camera.
Oh, it's on there.
It's okay.
I'm gonna keep going.
Yep.
Just pretend like it never happened. So, as many of you guys know, and many of you guys are from Jamaica, that you gotta recognize the sounds of Jamaica and you gotta enjoy the music of Jamaica, and there's only a couple ways to do that. So, the first one we're gonna talk about is, we just picked this up from the old Costco. This is the Bose SoundLink Flex SE. It is rugged, clear, deep, and powerful sounds. It is waterproof and dustproof, and the charge lasts for up to 12 hours, withstands drops, crushing rocks and shocks, and even rust. So, in case someone has a little bit of butterfingers, we won't mention any names or point any fingers, this is a pretty resilient speaker that charge lasts up to 12 hours.
I hope you don't drop it with your butterfinger, because it about people have butterfinger. I hope you don't drop it though.
Yeah, but it withstands drops, crushing, shocks, and rust.
Okay.
It plays for 12 hours, so you can't sit on the veranda watching the sunset without some good tunes. But just in case someone wants to listen to music that other people don't want to listen to, someone else, we won't mention any names, picked up the Skull Candy perfectly simple noise canceling earbuds.
Yes, I can listen to my own stuff instead of listening to your boring music than we listen to.
Yeah, she can plug in, zone out, listen to all of her.
Let me just change your station where you have and continue with.
Okay, so then I'll take these and I'll run away. And
no, you have your own. Don't.
You get one or the other. We will continue. The battle will continue. Who gets what and when and where?
Okay. Let's see who wins.
These have skulls on them.
The better person wins.
You know that?
Skulls?
Yes. This is called, the brand is Skull Candy. It's even got 4 mic digits. It's a skull. There's a skull on the headphone thingy.
Okay.
Oh yeah, Miss Rebel with a cause over there. But pretty awesome. Gonna enjoy the sounds of Jamaica one way or the other. Whew. Bringing it with. Alright, Swan, what's the next item?
3-piece ombre part set.
You gotta show them. Hold it up loud and proud. Guess what she got?
I got this.
It's curtains.
It's shower curtain. I don't even know what kind of bar we're getting for the other bathroom anyway, but I just got this.
It's a curtains.
Yes, it's a shower curtain set.
Okay. 3 pieces. What's in it?
It's come with the shower curtain, decorative one, and the shower curtain hook.
Yeah, we
That's
are.
3 pieces.
There's a shower liner, there's a shower curtain, and decorative frosted Piva shower. Oh, that's the shower liner.
Yes.
And hooks.
And the hooks. So
Rollerball hooks. I'm reading the back.
Oh.
Oh, you have to show them the back. We're supposed to read the back, but we're showing the front, so we sound know what we're talking about.
Okay, sorry. It's a 3-piece ombre box set.
She's not reading anything. She's got this all memorized.
No, I don't got the essentials spa.
I like the color. What do you call that? Sea blue?
Yeah, kind of. I don't know if it's sea blue or whatever.
So in a house full of white, we're gonna have to bring in some pops of color.
It's waterproof though.
And it's waterproof. That's good because it's for the shower.
Yeah.
Next item.
I guess so.
Oh, wow. Okay, we're gonna stick with the bathroom theme for this one, and my wife's giving me a hard time, but I'm gonna do it anyway because this item counts. You ready? You ready? Da 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 da! Wait, it slices, it dices, it. This, my friends, is the Oral-B Braun electric toothbrush. 3 different modes. Ready? Mode 1. Mode 2. Mode 3.
You find that funny?
I find that amazing.
In our
True story, I gotta share this. Now yes, this is slightly used, but it's been a fantastic addition to the oral hygiene of the house. I have never got a compliment from the dentist for 37 years, and just last year, after having used this for 6 months, that sounds like a really bad paid for commercial. But either way,
yes,
for Oral-B, call me,
but
because for the first time in 37 years, you know what the dentist told me after I got there and they chucked out my mouth?
Good for you.
They said,
congratulations, you want a thumbs or clap?
yeah. They said, good job with your teeth. And thank you, Oral-B, but
No, it said the person that floss every single minute of the day.
yeah, keep the flossing going. That's another item. But you can't just carry this thing because it does have a removable head. So, in honor of going into Jamaica, we do have several removable heads every 6 months or so. I think maybe I should read.
No, maybe you should not just show them the picture.
Replacing the top, and hopefully the battery keeps going. It plugs in. It's amazing. It's fantastic. It probably needs to be cleaned.
Yes,
but
they probably need to clean it, but I'm dirty.
it's awesome, and don't leave home without it. Max Clean, whew, Oral-B toothbrush, and you got one too.
Yeah,
uses
one, but
its-
I use my natural toothbrush to brush my teeth. Oh, and you know, like when people are
Yeah, but it's so amazing and clean and beautiful and.
The next thing, yeah, people, even if people go to the dentist,
Can't hear you. I'm brushing my teeth.
you're not. Even if people go to the dentist and you floss so much in time, they still find fault and say, oh, you don't floss, you don't do this, or you don't do that. They always have something to say.
Alright.
And you know what happened?
And if
When
you're,
I go to the dentist, I pay more money than these people. I don't know,
You know why?
Because they must love me that much. So
you're
I
right.
pay this.
Look at that smile. You can't compete with
No,
that.
I pay a lot of money on that.
She pays a lot for that smile. You're welcome.
No.
Okay.
Lantern.
Next item.
Is this? Try me. My body glows.
Honey, show them what it is. What is it?
My body glows.
Her body glows.
It's a
Yeah, it does.
flashlight for it do
does-
different. It can go in water and stuff.
What?
And
Push it again.
It turn off.
No, it's got. Push it again.
So if you push it turn on, then you push, then this part turn off and this part come on. But it can go in water. It's like for hurricane.
Yeah, there's one more though.
Like
Push it again.
there's no more.
Push the button. Oh, what? What?
Oh,
What?
oh, this one is.
Look, there's a-
Is this danger? Like
Yeah, there's a. Hey, we're on the side of the road, broken down.
Yes.
Look at us now.
Auto on when dropped it in water.
You drop that in the water and it turns on automatic.
Yeah, floats. It floats.
So, unlike my wife, who if you drop in water, she's gonna sink to the bottom. This thing's gonna float. It's funny because it's true. So if you want to know where to locate the body, this thing will be floating at the top. We're gonna teach her how to swim when we get back too. Honey, can I have
Yeah,
that?
it's a good thing. I got it from work. So
Yeah,
for a
it
long
shines.
time. And it's like I
It-
never put
Oh.
a battery in it or nothing.
And a lantern, and
Yeah, it's like a lantern.
just in
and
case,
stuff, yeah.
it's got the save our ship. She's going down. Gotta have a lantern because the power never goes out in Jamaica.
At least I can see like going to Jamaica.
Sonia, go to the light. That's what we gotta figure. Swim towards the light, and it floats. Get yourself a lantern. You're gonna need it. All right, moving on with the lights theme. Now, this one you might have. Good.
I'm sorry, excuse me.
That's okay.
My throat problem.
Yes. So you might have seen this one before if you paid special attention. We did an interview with Jada, the stepdaughter, the other episode, and in her room she has these amazing LED lights all around her room, which I helped put up. You're welcome, Jada, if you're watching. Thanks. You're welcome. I liked her lights so much that I decided we have to get some of those lights for ourselves for Jamaica. Now, these are the Govee RGB LED strip lights, 32 feet each, because not only do we get 32? 16? 32?
32 feet.
32?
Yes, it's 32 feet.
2 times 16.4. 32.8 feet in this one,
And this
32.8 feet in this one. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, that's like 65 feet.
Really?
Yeah. So, here's the biggest
Those are
debate.
64.
These are great LED lights. You can Bluetooth them to your phone, download the Govee app, and all the colors of the universe. They even hit to music if you really want them to. But the biggest challenge we have is, where are they gonna go?
Somewhere.
They're going somewhere. The debate continues. They're either
You can
gonna...
plug them for yourself.
She's here all week, ladies and gentlemen. Sonia. Huh. Anyway. All right, next item. Sonia might need some help. Look at those guns, but she might need some help in figuring out. Oh. Don't worry, I'll be your Vanna. Ladies and gentlemen, tell them what she's won.
That thing is just for cook. They said 4-piece oven to table set. What the heck is that?
Want me to take over? Handled baking and serving dishes.
That's in Spanish. Never mind.
Yeah, she's trying to read the Spanish. Anyway, it's got 2 handled baking and serving dishes and 2 platters in the same box. Now, she claims this is going to get to Jamaica. I think anybody who's doing side bets at this point, I'm not sure it's going to make it because this thing, it's probably a good 15 pounds. This is not light.
Make it because I'm going to take it out of the box. It's just a box and whatever.
And look at this. She's going to make those items. That's the deal. If she has to make the items that are in the picture.
I'm going to make the things that is in the picture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got some.
Fine spurgis and.
I don't know. But apparently, I don't get to touch this because it's just for cooks.
You won't cook?
Yeah, it's going to look great on the shelves in the kitchen that's being renovated. Add some white pop to the colorful kitchen. Just for cooks. Coming to a Jamaican house near you. Here. This is heavy. Can you take this? I need to go on to the next item. I can't. You gotta. Okay. Whew. Just for cooks.
Yeah, just the cook.
Now, this next item is kind of similar to a previous item we did on the last episode, but a little bit improved upon. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the 15 LED bulb solar string lights with remote control. Yes, we have the 40-foot solar string lights already. However, these come with their own solar panel that clearly power the lights. And so being as we get some good amount of sun in Jamaica, it's even weather resistant, thankfully, because we get some rain too. These aren't going to require any electricity. So if some reason the power goes out, these awesome lights will be able to continue to function. 35 feet, a total cable length, solar powered. Hopefully they get there without breaking. We're going to leave them in the box. No, it's staying in the box. We'll wrap the box in towels. Or all of the clothes that Sonia thinks she's going to bring with. Plenty of padding for the lights, but solar powered. Got a friend of ours that has this just down the street. They say they work great, and we've seen them in action so far, and I think they're pretty bright for being solar generated. Yeah?
They're plugged in the...
No, they're not. No power required. It says right on the box.
I thought you said it's one plugged in.
Well, you might be able to.
It has a remote.
It has a wireless remote included.
Okay.
Alright, so bigger question is, where is it going to go?
I don't know.
Maybe the kitchen? Maybe the veranda?
I don't think I'm
maybe the back room? Maybe...
I said, when you go, you will figure it out.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
You don't know.
She doesn't know is what she's trying to say. I already know, I just haven't gotten her to know. You know? You know? Got it?
When you don't know, you don't know.
Oh, but I know.
Okay.
I know where it's going. I just gotta get mother's approval.
I'm not your mother.
You're the mother of the house.
Nope.
You're not? Oh, sorry. I'll get the queen's approval. The queen of the palace?
What?
You're the queen of the palace.
Okay, thank you.
Cool. And I'll get your approval, and the lights will go up, and we'll all live happily ever after. Next item. Okay, last item is kind of a doozy, and you can't go to Jamaica without enjoying the fruits of your labors. And so,
what?
You're clearing your throat. I figured you're gonna give them the big news
of
the last item.
Is a juicer, mixer, all in one.
Look at that excitement. Can you, wow. Wow. Did you feel that? Right there. That was excitement. Whew. This is instructions, yes. This is the Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system. Still in the bag because hasn't been used. Auto IQ features. It dices, it splices, I don't know, smoothie feature, ice crust, extract, chop, and even dough with a low, medium, and high pulse. But it doesn't just stop there. There's that. It's got this top.
Ninja Professional Plus.
Professional Plus. Oh, you want to make a smoothie? There you go.
You want to make the IQ like what they have. The pressure pot with Jamaica by giving.
Another smoothie. That's not good enough for you. Oh wait, there's even a food processor blade. There's even a third smoothie cup. We each get our own now, apparently. And when you're making smoothie for the whole fam, the big Mondo container cup here clicks on, sits there. Juice for everybody. Smoothies, juice.
Juice, smoothies, coconut, whatever.
Coconut, whatever. Coming to a Jamaica kitchen near you.
And this is the cover for it.
And the cover? That, yeah, you're gonna want that.
This is the cover for it.
Whew. Get 'em, Ninja. Hiya. That should be their little catchphrase.
Oh, this has 3 lower angles.
Whoa, the cover has 3 lower angles.
And click into place.
Ooh.
One push release
Oh boy,
and
okay.
left. Yes,
Honey,
one
calm
push
down.
release and
One
left.
push release?
Yes.
That's crazy. We'll read the directions. There's a quick start guide.
Yeah,
Yes, it comes
so
with a
it's
quick start guide.
Yes.
Or as I like to call it, the start guide, because quick my foot. But 30 irresistible recipes.
Hi. It has recipe in there.
That's
good.
All right, guys. That's 10 more items, and that's pretty much all we're going to be able to fit in our suitcases, besides some clothes. When I say some clothes, we'll see how much can fit. Yeah, we're wrapping up the video.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching.
Thumbs up,
Thumbs up. Have a wonderful day.
like,
Share, subscribe. And you can drop a comments on the comment box.
I know what their comment should be. If you stay tuned to the end of this video, you should just comment to say, yeah, I'm one of the ones that actually stay tuned to the end of the video. And you'll get an amazing emoji thumbs up from us personally. Yeah, we don't just give them to anybody. If you actually put the comment in that I watched to the end of the video, we'd appreciate it. And we'd know, who are our all-star subscriber followers. I want to know. There's a few of them out there. I know who they are. I don't know if they want me to put them on blast now, but we got a few followers that are pretty all-star-ish. All-star-ish? We should make hats.
Whether you subscribe or not, I still love you guys.
We're like, we're not gonna judge.
I'm just a boring person, just trying to do whatever I can and just make fun.
You want to talk about your shirt real quick before we go?
Fun.
Did you see what your shirt says?
Fun. Yes, I know what it said. That's why I go buy it.
I don't even know what it says. No, it says, ain't no good.
Like motherhood.
Ain't no hood.
Like motherhood.
You know, I never noticed that the whole time.
I know what it said. I read it up anything before. Yes,
bye guys.
Before my motherhood.
Say goodbye.
Okay, bye.
Wow.